It's the end of 2025. And if you're being honest, learning AI is probably on top of your list for 2026. You've watched the videos, you've saved the tutorials, but most people struggle with AI not because it's hard. They struggle because they don't know where to start. The problem isn't you, it's how you're going about learning AI. AI isn't one skill, it's a stack of skills. And knowing the right order to learn them makes all the difference. Hi, I'm Zena and welcome to my channel. If you've been trying to learn AI, but find yourself bouncing between tutorials, tools, and trending videos, you are in the right place. On this channel, I break AI down into simple, practical steps you can actually use, whether you are a programmer, someone learning to code, or completely new to tech. There is no hype, no fluff, just clear steps, real examples, and tools you can apply today. And in this video, I'm going to give you the clearest roadmap to learning AI in 2026 without getting overwhelmed or wasting months going in circles. Before we dive into AI, here's the most important thing to understand. AI isn't one big skill you master. It's a stack of skills, and the order matters. There are 3 levels of skills you need to know. At the base is the AI user level. This is where you learn how to create powerful prompts, build workflows, and use automation tools. You don't need to code, just the ability to think in steps and communicate clearly with AI. Next is the AI builder level. This is where coding begins to matter. You learn basic Python, work with AI APIs, and build small apps and tools. This is also where things like RAG and AI agents begin to matter. And finally is the AI engineer level. This is the deep end. Machine learning, neural networks, transformers. You only need this if you want a career in core AI development. The key is this: you don't need all 3 levels. You only need the ones that fit your goals, and build your skills in the right order. Now let's dive into each of these skills. The first skill every beginner needs is structured prompting, because most people talk to AI the same way they text a friend, and then wonder why the results are terrible. A good prompt has 4 parts: the role, task, context, and format. The role tells the AI who it is. The task tells what is needed. The context provides details that matter. And format specifies the output to be delivered. Now let's take a look at an example. Here is a prompt. This is a bad prompt because it's missing the role, the context, and the output format. To make this a good prompt, we can rewrite this to have all the 4 parts of a good prompt. This prompt has the role, the task, the context, and the format. With structure, you can get reliable, accurate results every time, even if you're new to AI. Next is AI workflows. Now, this is where things start to click. Most people use AI one question at a time, but the real power comes from turning tasks into repeatable steps. An AI workflow is essentially a structured sequence of steps that takes a task from start to finish using AI. For example, you might want AI to summarize customer emails. First, new emails arrive. Then the AI reads them, highlights key points, and drafts concise summaries. This shows how an AI can handle multiple steps in the process. But to make it truly effortless, you need to combine these workflows with automation tools. That's where your system can run on autopilot. Once you have your AI workflows, automation tools take you to the next level. Tools like Zapier, Make, N8N, or Crew AI lets you connect AI to other apps and systems, so tasks happen automatically. For example, after AI summarizes emails, these tools can send the summaries to a Slack channel, update a CRM, or even trigger follow-up actions, all without you touching a keyboard. By combining AI with automation, you are not just generating outputs, you are building systems that work for you, saving time and reducing mistakes. Once you understand AI as a user, the next level is becoming an AI builder, which starts with one skill: simple Python. You don't need to be a professional developer. You just need enough Python to make API calls, which is basically sending a message to an AI model and getting a response back. Here is what that looks like. Just a few lines of code, and you're already building real AI tools. With this alone, you can create chatbots, content tools, automation scripts, dashboards, and more. The next builder skill is RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. This is how you make AI accurate, reliable, and grounded in your own information. Here is how it works. You feed AI your documents, they get chunked into small pieces, turned into embeddings, stored in a vector database, then pulled back out whenever the model needs them. RAG is how companies build internal chatbots, knowledge assistants, research tools, and customer support bots without hallucinations. It's simpler than it sounds, and you only need the basics to build impressive tools. Finally, let's talk about AI agents. Agents are AI systems that can take action for you. They can understand a goal, break it into steps, choose the right tools, iterate until the task is complete. For example, an AI agent can research a topic, summarize results, create a presentation, and even send it to your team automatically. With agents, you are no longer just prompting. You are orchestrating an AI workflow that can think and act. If you want to go deeper into AI, the next level is machine learning. Here, you learn how to make AI systems learn from data rather than following rules. The key concept is classification, where the AI sorts things into categories, and regression, where it predicts numbers or trends. You don't need to become an expert in this unless you're pursuing a career as an AI engineer. But understanding the basics will help you see how AI works under the hood. Finally, let's touch on deep learning concepts. This is where AI gets really powerful. Neural networks, transformers, and attention mechanisms form the backbone of advanced AI models, like ChatGPT or image generators. Neural concepts process information in layers. Transformers let models focus on the most relevant data. And attention mechanisms help AI prioritize information intelligently. You don't need to master these to start building, but understanding them helps you grasp why AI behaves the way it does. Now that you know the essential skills, here is how to put them into action. A 30-day roadmap to go from beginner to building your first AI project. Week 1. Focus on prompting and AI basics. Practice structured prompts and learn how to get accurate outputs from AI. Week 2. Workflows and automation. Build simple AI workflows and start connecting tools like Zapier or N8N to automate tasks. Week 3. Python and APIs. Write a small script to integrate AI into your projects. You don't need to be an expert, just enough to get things running. Week 4. RAG and a small AI project. Combine everything you've learned to build a real AI project using your own data. Follow this roadmap consistently, and in just 30 days, you will go from an overwhelmed beginner to someone who can confidently use AI to solve real problems. I hope you found this video valuable and that it puts you on the right path in your AI journey. See you in the next video. Bye.